How to fix Discord screen share lag. Discord screen share lag is often caused by high system resource uses, unstable internet, or specific app settings as well. So what you want to do is, first of all, launch open Discord onto your device. There, tap onto the U from the very bottom right and go to the gear icon at the very top. Here, you have to go and look for advanced settings. There you go. This is where you want to make sure to go ahead and toggle hardware acceleration to turn it on. So once you toggle the hardware acceleration, this should be able to help. And likewise, you could also go and adjust voice and video settings. So for that too, you want to go to settings, and this is where you should be able to find voice, and this is also where you want to make sure to go ahead and make changes with your voice and audio as well. So likewise, if the issue still persists on, close all the background running app, go to settings on your device, and then go to the app section, locate Discord, and make sure to go to storage and cache and clear cache. This should also definitely help you out. If nothing works out, completely close the background running app, hold on to your side button and restart your device, and that should definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.